Hey there, Chris Wells here, and today I'm going to be talking about feedback. Us oldies remember when stakeholders had to type out time codes or even have the video open next to you pointing out what they want when things need changing. Well, now those days are mostly gone thanks to a powerful tool for sharing media and tracking feedback called Frame.io. And the good news is it has a panel directly embedded in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's take a look at uploading your videos on there and the whole feedback process with Frame.io. To open Frame.io, all you have to do is select Window and then down to Review with Frame.io. If you haven't opened this before, it will then ask you to log in with your Adobe credentials, but that's just a one-time thing. You can see my past projects here. So once you've finished your sequence and want to share it for feedback, make sure your sequence is open and then select Upload and Active Sequence. You'll be greeted with some basic options like the sequence name and coda preset and the range to export and where it will render to. I also highly recommend keeping this auto version button clicked so you can keep track of all the different versions of your project in the same place. Select Upload and it will automatically open up Media Encoder to export your video and launch it into the World Wide Web. Now you can see your video here and you can set its status by right-clicking and selecting what stage you want it to be set at. Now click Share for Review and you'll then be given a link to send to anyone who needs to see it. They can then just watch the video via browser and then leave time-coded feedback if needed. There's even an iOS app too. The feedback will be directly viewable on your timeline for you to finish up all ready for that Sisyphean process to repeat until you finally get to final sign-off. Thank you so much for watching. For more in-depth editing tutorials from Adobe themselves, head over to adobevideotraining.com. And for insights, analysis, on news on all things video, come on over to RedShark News.